This example, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a UI alert. So this is a message, an alert message that's going to run within a bound script within the Google Sheet. So let's go ahead and we're going to set up the function. And whenever this function is going to be invoked, it's going to run the code and show the alert. And we'll just call it show al. So we can have a few numbers here. So our number 1 is going to be equal to 100. Number 2 is going to be equal to 144. And then let's add those together. So do a result for that. And we're going to be adding number 1 plus number 2. And that's going to return back a total. And then using the spreadsheet app, we get the UI object. And within the UI object, this is where we've got some options. And one of them is an alert. And within the alert, this is where we can send the output. I'm going to use the template literals to construct the output. And then add the values in from num1 plus the value of num2. And then we'll equal those together. And this is going to be the result. And then within the alert, we're going to put the output. So save that and run the code. So there's our alert that pops up. And that's how you can set up an alert within Google Apps Script on your sheets.